Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your go-to channel for honest and detailed motorcycle reviews. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125, a bike that blends sporty design, practical performance, and rider-friendly usability, making it a strong contender in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125 stands out with its bold and aggressive styling. Sharp body lines, dynamic graphics, and a muscular fuel tank give it a confident street presence. The sleek headlamp and modern tail section add to its sporty character, making the Xtreme 125 look more thrilling than a typical commuter. Powering the Xtreme 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned to offer smooth performance with good responsiveness. It delivers usable torque in city traffic, making everyday commuting feel easy and efficient. The engine's character balances performance and fuel economy, so you get a lively ride without sacrificing mileage. The 5-speed gearbox shifts cleanly, adding to the bike's confidence-inspiring feel in both urban situations and open roads. Despite its sporty attitude, the Xtreme 125 doesn't compromise on comfort. Upright ergonomics, a cushioned seat, and a rider-friendly posture make long rides feel less tiring. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches with ease, ensuring a composed ride across varied road conditions. Handling is agile and predictable, making navigation through traffic and tight spots feel effortless, ideal for both new and seasoned riders. The 2026 Xtreme 125 comes equipped with useful modern features. Digital instrument cluster, clean and informative. LED lighting, bright and efficient. Disc brake with CBS, improved safety. Tubeless tires, added convenience and confidence. These features enhance daily usability without overcomplicating the experience. Riders seeking a sporty yet practical commuter. Daily users who want performance with comfort. Beginners and young riders wanting a fun and efficient 125 cubic centimeters bike.